At ReAgent, we've been packing chemicals for over 40 years. We have the experience and state-of-the-art facility to offer you a comprehensive range of contract packing services. Our expert team can pack or repack any chemical you require, including, but not limited to, acids, alkalis, flammables, solvents and toxic solutions, as well as non-hazardous materials. We can handle liquids, powders, gels, creams and more. We offer a range of packaging options to suit your needs, from glass ampules of 1 ml to IBCs of 1,000 litres and anything in between. We can supply bottles, jerry cans, dispensing caps, buckets and drums, all available in different materials and sizes. If you need us to pack a particularly sensitive product, we can also carry out nitrogen purging to reduce atmospheric degradation. Quality is of utmost importance, and we hold several ISO standards, so you can rest assured your product is being packed in line with internationally recognised quality management methods. We can also label your product with our custom label design service. Using either your existing design or working with our in-house designer to create a bespoke label, we give you total control over the final look and feel of your product, ensuring that it aligns with your company branding and meets current legislation. We print our labels on a commercial laser printer and use hard-wearing polyethylene to provide excellent durability. When you choose to outsource your contract packing to us, you have complete traceability on all deliveries. We use unique batch numbers and an advanced in-house tracking database. We can also trace any product back to its raw materials, allowing us to minimise risks and improve quality control. If you're looking for a contract packing company who will package and label your products reliably and work with you every step of the way, contact us today to discuss your requirements.